Hi guys, here's Putty Project, and today I'm very interesting. Why? Because I want to create one C program in this video, and in this video we want to creating password generator with C. And learning C is very good. And why? Because you can learn it C and creating a work with physical bots or creating compilers. It's very good for these two apps. It's very good for other things. You can search and learn about it, but today we want to creating password generator. Let's go. First of all, we create one special chars a string, and we want to choose from this. Then we want one char for lists 100. You can define 100 and using this, but today I don't define it. And we want one char password 101 equal none. Then int index equals 0. Now we want to add A to Z, the lowercase of it, in the list. So here we write for char ch equal A char littler than Z char plus plus. List index plus plus, meaning the first time it's 0, then plus it to 1, and run like this char, and it's finished. Then we copy and paste this loop for the A to Z, the uppercase of it. So here we write A. Also you can use ASCII codes. It's very good to write with ASCII codes. It's very good. You can search and learn about ASCII. If you don't have any ideas or any information about ASCII codes, you can write it at comments, and I create one video for you and I explain it for you in comments. 0 to 9 with character data type, and then we want to add one special characters. We have the list of that. Equal 0 to when I to when spatial characters I not equal to null. How we can write null? We write it with \0 I plus plus. Then here you add the spatial characters I, the I parameter, and it's good. Now with this loop we add A to Z lowercase to this list. With this loop we add A to Z uppercase, and with this loop we add 0 to 9, and here we add the spatial characters. And now we want to write we want to create one random number. How we can write it? We should add these two libraries, time.h and stdlib.h. You should add it for creating numbers random numbers, \n for getting null to it, because we should write null to last of the list. Int list size equal index. Srand equal time 0. Why we say time? Because we're creating this create the random number by the time of the system. The compiler of C going to create the random number with timer of the system. And now we're creating this number, and now we want one loop for creating the one list and one password to have 3 characters. How we can write it? We should write it like this: for we start from what? We start from 0 and we end from what? 10. Okay, littler than 10. Every time I plus one promise to I, and for the statement of it, first come here and create one random number. How we can write it? We say random index we want to create one index, rand percent list size. It should be between the 0 to list size. And now we want to choose the index of the character in the list and add it to the password. How we can write it? We write it like this. We want to choose one char, so create one variable char random char equal list. What index? The random index. And int passlen. Here we want to add the this character to the password string. So here we write strlen. How we can add this strlen to our program? First, do you have anything ideas? Let's say 2. You should add this library string.h. If you in the C++ you don't want it, but if you if you want to add the C program, you should add the string.h library and writing this strcat, strlen, and these functions of the strings. So here we write the index of passlen in password passlen equal random char. Then write the next parameter of it to null. Next parameter of passlen, the next index of the passlen to null. Because all of the list, all of the characters, all of the list of characters, all of the strings should have one start and one end. How we can write the end? We should write null. So here we write passlen plus one index equal none. How we write it? We write it here. Quotation \0 and semicolon, and it's finished. Let's explain it to you one time. Here we have one string, or we can say it's one list of the character. We have special characters of the system. We added to this list because we want to choose one character from it. We have one list it's we write the name is list, and it can get 100 parameter. And we have one password for showing the password, for add and showing the password. Here we add A to Z. Why we write A, Z? We start from little a and we end with little z. Or here you can write it with ASCII numbers, or here you can say start from little a and end by big Z. But it's not a standard work. You should add it from A to Z lowercase and then add it to A to Z uppercase. Here we add it to A to Z lowercase, then here we add uppercase. Now here we add the 0 to 9 the characters data type, because when we have one list with chars data type, we can't add any integer or any string to it or any boolean, so we should add character. How we can add it? We should add it 0 to 9 the numbers with the data type and characters. How we write it? In the quotation we write it. And then with this loop we want to add the special characters. We create one int I equals 0, start from 0 to end of the special character. When it's end the loop, but it's not end, come here and add it to the list. When you add it, come here and choose one random character in the list and add it to this pass. And doing this work for 10 times, here we write it. If you want to write it for 50 times, you can write it 15. Every number of the times you want, you can write it here and it's work. Let's try it. Okay. Oh, we forgot to print it. Here we'll say printf password is slash s and pass. Or here you can say %c. Don't forget \n for going to next line. And it's get the number to us and get the password. Let's run it again. It gets another password to us. It's a very heavy password. You can choose it use it for your email or anything else. If you would like this video, please like the video. If you want to help me, please subscribe and share my video to your friends. I very want to create better videos, so subscribing the channel and I create a very better video for you. Also, if you have any question or any ideas, please write it at comments. Thank you so much for watching this video to here, and like always, here's Putty Project and goodbye.